Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you parts of speech in English with Urdu vocabulary and plus examples for beginner for two. So listen to be careful. How to pronounce this word lazy. Number 3 lazy in Urdu sust. How would it be used in a sentence lazy? He failed the exam because he is lazy. In Urdu वो इम्तिहान में फेल हो गया क्योंकि वो सुस्त है. How to pronounce this word beautiful. Number 4 beautiful in Urdu خوبصورت. How would it be used in a sentence beautiful? She has a beautiful smile. In Urdu उसकी मुस्कुराहट खूबसूरत है. What is pronoun? Pronoun definition. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Examples. Number 1. He is my brother. He replaces a name. Number 2. They are going to school. Number 3. It's raining. What is verb? Verb definition. A verb shows action and state. Examples. Number 1. She runs fast. Number 2. They play cricket. Number 3. He is happy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you like, comment, share and drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts.